Today we'll take a look at the PowerMetrics MCP Server and specifically how to set it up with Claude. We'll start by going to Settings, and within the General area, when you scroll down, you'll see MCP Server Integration. This is where you will find the MCP endpoint URL, but for now we're going to click on the documentation link. The documentation contains lots of valuable information, as well as a base system prompt that we will download now and use with Claude. Once we've done that, let's head back to PowerMetrics and copy the endpoint URL. Then in Claude, click on the Customize icon in the left nav and click on Connectors. Here we're going to add a custom connector. We can give it a name and then paste that copied URL into the text field below. Now we will connect Claude to PowerMetrics so that Claude can access your data and knowledge graph securely. As a final check, make sure that the tools are given both read and write access to PowerMetrics. At this point, the tools are connected, and you could actually start asking questions of your data from PowerMetrics. However, context matters, and as a best practice, we're going to set up a new project and use the system prompt we downloaded earlier. Give the project a name and feel free to add a brief description as well. Then here is where you upload that base system prompt. It will help Claude understand how to interact with the PowerMetrics MCP server. Use the instructions dialog to add additional context, any shorthand, or any other instructions that would help it understand your data. Okay, you're ready. So let's start with a simple question just to make sure that the system is set up properly, such as how many metrics and dashboards do I have? Let's move on to a more sophisticated question, such as give me a financial update. And as it's doing this, you'll see that Claude checks with PowerMetrics for relevant metrics. It'll check the schema, it'll check permissions, of course, and then it will assemble all that data together to do an analysis and then present you with the results. Just like the AI assistant that exists within PowerMetrics, we found Claude to be incredibly powerful at being able to uncover insights, create visualizations. You can audit all of your assets, as well as, of course, get help and debug things as well. As always, let us know if you need any help or have any feedback. Thanks for watching.